Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2021 Ram 3500 Bighorn Sport. This casting is by Greenlight, it's in 1:64 scale, and it says it's for 14 years plus. So because of the small parts, I guess it's not a toy, it's more of a collectible diecast. Nice card, it's good, it's from the All-Terrain series. Nice way, the way it's packed, it's on an angle, so that's different too. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 2021 Ram 3500 Bighorn with its box, and if I'm not wrong, it's finished in hydro blue. I think that's the paint. Looks nice, some good details. So I'm going to start with from the front. So in the front you can see there are a lot of good details. The grill is nicely detailed with the Ram badge and the trim piece. You got nicely detailed headlamps on both the side. Fog lamp is also there. Body colored bumper, and the lower grill is also detailed. Looks nice, and you also have the air dam at the bottom. Also from the front, you can notice the big hood with some bulges there. Both the mirrors, again with some details you can see here. Windshield wipers are there. They're not that big, but if you look closely you can see them. Interior also visible from front, which is in black color, and you've got some marking lamps on the top. Now looking to the driver's side. On the driver's side, we again got some nice details. You can see the Ram badge, ME badge, and 3500 badge on the hood. The mirror also has a silver finish on the inside to just show the reflective part. You also got a side step right there, black side step, and then the B pillar is also blacked out. Looks like a big bed, so might be the longer 8-foot bed. You got the fuel filler on the side, rubber tires with those nice looking chrome wheels. They will look good. Also got a sport badge on the bed, on the end of the bed. Coming to the rear, you got some nice details in the rear too. You got the Ram badge, detailed tail lamps, 4x4 badge, Bighorn badge, tow hook, same body colored bumper, and the bed is finished in black. If you look closely on the wheel arch, it has a cutout for putting a piece of wood in there. There's no smaller window in the rear window that slides. You got the stop lamps detailed there. On the passenger side, it looks almost identical. The only difference I can say is the fuel filler. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. Seems like the base is plastic rather than metal. There are some details on the base, not a lot of them, but there are some. Overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Greenlight has done a good job, I guess, and I think we'll go well with the other Ram trucks I recently bought. Yeah, you can check the channel for other bunch of trucks. I bought Ram trucks and some Ford ones too, so I think we'll go well with those. I like the details in the bed too. Some nice details, like they've captured most of the details you see on the actual truck. Yeah, so if you like trucks, you might want to go with this one. Well, that's what I think. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.